Let's make a magic ring. Close up at the end. Grab the yarn and wrap it around 2 fingers. Turn your hand around and continue wrapping. Cross the yarn over the first strand. This will make an X shape. Turn your hand back and continue wrapping. On top you will have 2 strands of yarn, on the other side an X. Insert your hook under the first strand only. Pull the second one back under the first. Now turn around your hook and twist the yarn. Grab your working yarn and hold it in place. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. You've now created a magic ring, also referred to as a magic circle or MR. Now grab your working yarn again. Adjust the ring a bit so it is easy to work with. Close-up can be found at the end of the video. Use the timestamp for easy navigation. Insert the hook and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through both of the loops. You've now made a single crochet. This is your first stitch. Ignore this loop. Put a stitch marker here in the first stitch. The first stitch is needed to close the magic ring. Make sure to crochet around both of the strands. Single crochet into the magic ring again. Insert the hook into the magic ring. Pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull it through both of the loops. Insert hook. Pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops again. Now just single crochet as much as needed. It depends on the pattern you are using. I will do a couple more single crochet. When you are finished, pull it straight. Now to close the magic ring. Unravel your yarn tail. This is your working yarn. Now pull on the yarn tail and the ring will close. Pull it tight. Grab your working yarn again. We are now going to close with a slip stitch. We are placing it in the first stitch that we made. You've put a stitch marker here. This is the first stitch. Remove the stitch marker. Insert the hook into the first stitch. From your working yarn, pull up a loop. Pull it directly through the loop on the hook. You've now closed round 1. The magic ring is finished. Check the middle part. If there is a hole, you need to get your yarn tail. Pull it extra tight and it will close up. If you are enjoying the video, please subscribe. Next is the magic ring with double crochet. We are starting off the same. Wrap the yarn around 2 fingers. Turn around and cross over the yarn. This will form the X. These strands need to be next to each other. Insert hook under the first strand. Pull the second strand back under the first one. Turn and twist your hook around. We are almost there. Grab your working yarn again. Hold it in place with your pinky finger. Yarn over and pull it directly through the loop. This is your magic ring. Grab your working yarn again. We are going to do some double crochet. Pull your yarn tail straight first. Grab your working yarn and yarn over before entering the magic ring. Insert hook into ring and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. You've now made 1 double crochet. Insert stitch marker in the double crochet. This is your first stitch. Now we need to make some more. Yarn over before entering the magic ring. Insert hook into magic ring and pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. Yarn over again. Pull it through the last 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Insert hook to pull up a loop. Yarn over again and pull through to loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. I am going to make some more double crochet. Just make as many as you need to. Be sure to look at the pattern you are using. By using double crochet in a magic ring, you will make it bigger. Most amigurumi patterns call for single crochet. A double crochet magic ring is mostly used in flat circles or projects. It is perfect for making hats and beanies. You can practice your tension with a chain. Look through my videos for a tutorial. I will be adding one soon. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. When you are finished making double crochet, unravel the yarn tail. We are going to close the magic ring. Grab the yarn tail and give it a good pull. Here is the finished magic ring. Pull it extra tight if you see any holes. Now to close the round of double crochet, we are placing a slip stitch into the first stitch, the one we put the stitch marker in. Remove the stitch marker. It is just a regular slip stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch. Pull up a loop. Pull it directly through the loop on the hook. You are all done. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Keep watching for a close-up. Thank you for watching.